Hi, welcome. Today, we're going to share our Soya Chunks Kurma recipe. Boiled soya chunks is marinated with curd, chili, coriander, garam masala, and turmeric powder with salt. Add together with the ginger garlic paste for the extra spiciness. Mix it well. Heat the cooking oil. Add the following spices: bay leaf, cumin seed, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. At a higher heat, cumin seeds will turn brown quickly, in 15 or so seconds. Make sure you don't burn them, and when they start to pop, you know they're done. Add in sliced onions. Saute till the color turn golden. Add in salt, chili, and coriander powder. Add water. Mix it well. Add in the marinated soya chunks. Add tomato paste. This is to add flavor. Add in smooth paste of cashew. It gives thickness to the gravy. Let it simmer for 10 minutes with low flame. Sprinkle some spring onions to add taste. Thank you for watching.